Hey Rach, this is Darlene. I'm from Humboldt, Tennessee, and I created the adventure box for my grandchildren, and it went viral. The reason I decided to do this was because I don't like giving gifts. The boys have plenty of Legos and plenty of Nerf guns, and I wanted to give them the gift of my time. I did one for each month. In January we had a movie month. February, it said let's go bowling and play laser tag. I do prefer making memories other than just giving things. I just thought this was a great way to bring us all together at least once a month, every month.
So brilliant. That's such a clever and thoughtful, that's the true meaning of giving, is to make an experience for your kids or your grandkids. Darlene, I think you're absolutely brilliant. Please send us some more of your brilliant ideas.